Hello everyone, and welcome to Ariana's Food Adventures. This is day 4 of our carnival theme, and we got a sweet but delicious fried corn dog. But let's not waste any more time. Let's get cooking, shall we? Alright, so I got a medium-sized bowl here, and I already have 3/4 of a cup plus 2 tablespoons of buttermilk. And to that we're going to add 1 egg. And then before I add my honey, I'm going to spray a tablespoon measure. That way it comes right out. Add a tablespoon of good old honey and dump it right on in. And then last wet ingredient, about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Alright, tap the egg just like that, just to help break it up and just give everything a nice little stir just to combine all the wet ingredients. Alright, once the wet ingredients have been thoroughly mixed, just going to set that aside for the moment. 3/4 of a cup of cornmeal. Alright, so to our cornmeal we're going to add half a cup plus 2 tablespoons, so there's 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and then 1/8 of a cup of just regular plain sugar, and then half a tablespoon of baking powder, and then 1/8 of a teaspoon of just regular salt. Dump that in, and then before we add our dry to our wet, just give a light stir to the dry ingredients. We're just going to dump that into our wet ingredients. Right, you can give it a stir to combine everything. Alright, so I'm just going to put a little coffee stick right into the hot dog. I found the coffee stick is a little bit sturdier than your typical bamboo stick. Make sure you get every bit of the hot dog so that way it evenly coats it. And we're going to bring this to 375. Corn dog in just like that. We're going to fry this until it's golden brown and delicious. Alright, so I just boiled our corn dog and look at that beautiful golden brown deliciousness. Yum. Serve it with your favorite condiment and you got a winter corn dog right here. But you'll have to stay tuned for tomorrow to see what I have planned. But until then, enjoy.